How to add a Gmail account to your Android phone quickly and easily. If you want to use Gmail, Google Play Store, Google Drive, or other Google services, adding your Google account is an important first step. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Users and Accounts, Passwords and Accounts, or Accounts, depending on your software version. Now, look for Google and tap Add Account. If you see an option called Add Account, select it and then choose Google. Your phone may ask you to verify your identity using your screen lock, fingerprint, or PIN. Complete the verification to continue. Next, enter the Gmail address you want to add and tap Next. Enter your Google account password, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. If Google asks you to verify your account, complete the required security steps. Once everything is finished, your Gmail account will be added to your phone. You can now open the Gmail app and access your emails, or use the same Google account with services like Google Play Store and Google Drive. And that's it! You've successfully added a Gmail account to your Android phone in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.